Cheers everybody, hope everyone's having a fabulous night out there. And myself, I'm sitting on the floor of my studio in my gym jams, which you're not going to see, because this is the only place that I had to do all this, the only place I had any room. So I just actually did a little video for Instagram on all this, and now's my full-out version of this video for YouTube, Facebook, things like that. To sort of give you a little looky-loo into what I'm doing and show you how I'm going to be spending a bit of time tonight. This is a bit of a continuation to the last video as to what I was doing at Dad's. So, here we go. What is this? This is potting mix. I've got 2 bags of potting mix right here and some tools. What do we do with potting mix and tools? Well, add some pots to the equation. And you move right along here. Ta-da! Plants! You've not seen these little ones since I did a video shortly after Dad's funeral. So, these are all the survivors of Dad's floral arrangements for his funeral. Some of them did not make it, sadly enough. The bleeding heart plant didn't make it, my little sprig didn't make it, and whatever this is, she's lovely, but there's 2 of them and one didn't make it, so I feel sort of bad about that. But I've no idea what any of these plants are, so please, if anybody knows, leave a comment, leave a message, you know, DM me, something, just so that I know better what I'm dealing with and how to look after these little babies. So tonight I'm going to be watering them and trimming off any nasty bits and perhaps moving some friends in with these ones as well. So these little ones, don't they look like rabbit ears? I mean, seriously, people, they really do. I've not got a clue what this is. It's not flowered, it's not got any more leaves on it, it's just a bit of mystery. So, and I believe this is a potato vine. If I'm wrong, please correct me, send me a message, something. So, moving right along, like to introduce you to some more friends who will hopefully become members of the family. This is an aloe vera plant. These are all plants I found at my dad's quite a while ago, last year actually. And this one's not doing very well. Look at the pots, look how crowded these are, oh my god. So tonight I'm going to be repotting these, moving some of them in with the other plants, perhaps, maybe they're like friends, who knows. Trimming off the nasty bits, watering them, and this is my mum's Moses in the basket. Look at how lovely she is. Oh my gosh. Hope my video doesn't muck up. Sorry about that. I think she's supposed to be a bit more colourful though, so hopefully I can get her back. This one, I did not even know Dad had. And look at how crowded she is. Oh my goodness. I've got to get rid of all this muck about and give her some room to breathe. So, just thought I'd give you a little looky-loo and want to say love, love, love to all my subscribers and people who watch these things, and take care and have a great night. Love you. Bye-bye.